measuring the economic value of the Sebangor National Park area in supporting sustainable livelihoods in the buffer area, Indonesia. By Vivan Zakia and May Shana. Forest is a medium for mutual relations between humans and other living things with natural factors, which consist of ecological processes and are a cyclical unit that can support life. Sebangor National Park, one of the Natural Conservation Areas (KPA) in central Kalimantan, contains tropical peat swamp forests and is the only remaining swamp forest in central Kalimantan province. This study aims to calculate the economic value of the Sebangor National Park area in central Kalimantan province. The method used in this study is calculating the economic value of the Sebangor National Park area using an economic valuation approach. All the data were collected by using secondary and primary surveys in the form of field observations and interviews with informants so that the data obtained was based on facts. The study results show that the area's economic value in the Sebangor National Park, Central Kalimantan province can be demonstrated as the value of the benefits derived from the flora in the Sebangor National Park is Rp 35,247,655,099,086.40 or around 35 trillion rupees. With the types of flora that are taken into account, including medicinal plants, ornamental plants, rattan plants and carbon storage trees. The value of the benefits obtained from the fauna in Sebangor that are taken into account are orangutans, other large mammals, and birds. The total value of the benefits of flora and fauna in Sebangor National Park is Rp 35,984,764,454,951.40 or the equivalent of 36 trillion rupees. Based on the results of calculating the value of hill and lake tourism benefits in Sebangor National Park, it can be seen that the total tourism valuation or the total value of tourism benefits in Sebangor National Park. The following is the total tourism valuation of the Sebangor National Park Rp 107,195,000.00. Henceforth, Sebangor National Park has a valuable ecosystem, so this environment needs to be preserved from illegal logging, forest fires, and other forest exploitation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.